Decimal Zoo is designed to allow 5th grade students supplementary practice multiplying dividing decimals. Nebraska standards are MA 5.1.3C, multiplying decimals, and MA 5.1.3D, divide decimal by a whole number. The objectives of this game: the learner will be able to multiply and divide decimals by a whole number on their own. Material needed are playing board with pawns, problem cards, an answer key, pencils, scratch paper, 6-sided die, and animal body parts labeled in envelopes. The teacher will assign partners in teams of 2 or 3, ensuring that students with differing math abilities are teamed together. 3 to 4 teams may play the game at one time. Teams will roll the die, and the team with the highest number goes first, and play continues to the right. Teams will work their way to the area of the board labeled with the body part. Once entering, the team must work together to answer a problem on one of the problem cards. Here are some samples of problem cards. 2 6/10 times 4 is an example of a multiplication problem, while 4 9/10 divided by 7 is an example of a division problem. Another team checks the answer using the answer key. If the player team solves the problem correctly, they receive the animal body part for that area, and play moves on to the next player team to the right. If the answer is incorrect, no animal part is awarded, and play moves to the next player team. The player team may retry that part on their next turn. If the player team enters the cage labeled wild, they may pick the part of the animal needed. The wild cage may be only used once per player team. The first to build their animal wins. Here are some samples of animals the children can build. The animals may be tailored to fit the children's personalities. The teacher will explain the game ahead of time, along with the rules and expectations. This game would be used during math rotations as a group rotation, while the teacher is working with another group of students. This game can be modified to practice any skill by simply switching out the problem cards.